Hello students. After doing question number 5, our topic for today is Manager's Commission on Net Profits. But before starting with the explanation from book, I would first like to tell you what is the difference between Manager's Commission and Partner's Commission. Two types of commission will be given in the question that you will do. One would be partner's commission and the other will be manager's commission. Now there is a difference between the two. Partner's commission is an appropriation of profit, means it is a distribution of profit. Like you give salary to a partner, like you give interest on capital to a partner. So those things are appropriation. In the same way, partner's commission is an appropriation of profit, whereas manager's commission is a charge against profit. Now what is the difference between appropriation of profit and charge against profit? Appropriation of profit you have already studied because we are doing profit and loss appropriation account, in which I explained to you what appropriation of profit means. Charge against profit means when something is given out of the profits as a payment, means you are giving it to somebody. So it is a charge against what? Against the profits of the firm. So it is somewhere reducing the profits of the firm. Another thing is, whenever there is an appropriation of profit, that you show in profit and loss appropriation account. As in case of partner's commission, if in the question partner's commission will be given, then you would show it on the debit side of the P&L appropriation account. Why debit side? Because the firm is giving this to the partner. So in the P&L appropriation account it is shown on the debit side. Whereas in the partner's capital account it will be shown on the credit side, because the partner is receiving that commission. So main thing is it is debited in P&L appropriation account, whereas because manager's commission is a charge against profit, it will be debited and in profit and loss account, not in profit and loss appropriation account, because manager is not a partner of your firm. He is an outsider who is working for the firm. And when you are paying to him from the profits are being reduced. So that's why it's debited in profit and loss account, not in profit and loss appropriation account. There are various other examples also. Now coming to this point, charge against profit. So this much I have explained to you. Manager's commission is a charge against profit. Therefore, it is debited on the profit and loss account debit side. Other examples where you have to make profit and loss account. So as in manager's commission, if manager's commission is given in any question, first of all you will have to make profit and loss account to show manager's commission on the debit side of that profit and loss account, because then only you will get the corrected profits. Unless and until you deduct manager's commission in the profit and loss account from the profit, you will not get the correct net profit. So first of all, whenever manager's commission is given, you will deduct it. Then after that, you will proceed with next account, that is profit and loss appropriation account. Besides this, there are two more examples. Suppose the partner has given loan to the firm and the firm is paying interest to the partner on that loan, then that is also a charge against profit. Alright, because the profits are being reduced. Next is rent paid by the firm to partner. For example, suppose there are 3 partners, A, B and C, and out of these 3 partners, A, B and C, they all need a property to establish a factory, but B has a property and they all decide, okay, we will do that work on B's property. So the firm will pay rent to B. Alright, so this rent will be paid out of the profits only. So this will also be a charge against profit. So these are other 2 examples besides manager's commission, which are charge against profit, interest on partner's loan, and rent paid by the firm to partner. So when it is charged against profit, again you have to do the same thing. You first have to make profit and loss account to show these things, and then only you will get the net profit and you will show it in the P&L appropriation account. I hope this much is clear to you. Now coming back to your books. Here this adjustment is given. There are two types of calculations for calculating manager's commission on net profit. First is on profit before charging such commission and on profit after charging such commission. Means when you are giving on the profit, from that profit manager's commission has not been charged, and when you are giving from that amount of profit from which it has already been charged after charging such commission. So example is same in both the cases. If the profit before charging the commission is rupees 22,000, same is written here also. If the profit before charging his commission is rupees 22,000 and the manager is to be allowed commission of rupees 10% on the profit. Now this is important. Before charging such commission, if that profit is before charging such commission, you will straight away write the percentage that is given, 22,000 into 10 upon 100. 10% was given. But if the question says that the manager is to be allowed a commission of 10% on the profit after charging such commission, if this is written after charging such commission, then what percentage you will take? 22,000. This was the profit given in the question, into 10 upon 100 plus 10. Means here you have written only 10 upon 100. Here you will write 10 upon 110. 10 upon 100 plus 10. Alright, so whatever the percentage is, if it is to be given 8% at the rate of 8%, you will write 8 upon 108. But it is done only in the case of profit after charging such commission. If it is before charging such commission, then you will just give this percentage. Alright, so we are going to study one example, and after that one question will be given to you and you have to do that question in your registers. So here two partners are given, A and B, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. A has brought the capital of rupees 5 lakh and B has brought capital of rupees 3 lakhs. Interest on capital is to be provided at 6% per annum to both the partners. Then B is also allowed an annual salary of rupees 60,000. These are the appropriations that are given in the question. Interest on capital, salary. Now one thing is given. During the year 2017-18, the profits prior to calculation of interest on capital but after charging B's salary amounted to rupees 1,80,000. Now in a question, you have to find out whether you have been given the true profit or not. So here they have given 1,80,000 to you, and what they are saying, from this we have not deducted interest on capital but we have deducted salary. So it is not correct, because salary and interest on capital we deducted or show it on the debit side of P&L appropriation account, right? But they have already deducted salary from this 1,80,000. So what we will do, first of all, we will add back rupees 60,000 of salary in this 1,80,000. Then only we will get the true profit. Okay? And whatever true profit you will get, on that you have to provide 5% in respect of manager's commission. Alright? So first of all, obviously when it is a question of manager's commission, you will make profit and loss account. You have done this in class 11th also. Format you know, debit side, credit side, particulars amount column, particulars and amount column. Now look here, profit and loss account. By profit for the year before B's salary. Now here they have written before B's salary, deducting B's salary, means before B's salary it should be 1,80,000 plus 60,000, because this 60,000 was deducted from it. So we have to add it back. Then only we will get the true profit. Here you are getting 2,40,000. Now on this 2,40,000 only you will charge 5% commission that you have to pay to the manager. Alright, this is the true profit. After doing this step, you will get the net profit, 2,28,000, and then you will make profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Now see here on the debit side you will show to be salary, to interest on partner's capital, which you will calculate in the working note, and this profit that you have got here 2,28,000, that you will transfer here because manager's commission was given. If you will not deduct manager's commission, you will not get correct net profit here. First you deduct it in the P&L account and then transfer the profit balance to the credit side of the P&L appropriation account. And then finally nothing else is given, no drawings are given, no interest on drawings is given. So you will transfer the profit to partner's capital account. This is partner's capital account. We have already discussed debit side and credit side. Date particulars column of both the partners. Then again date particulars in the columns of both the partners plus rupee sign you have to write. And what all you will write? First of all you will write on the date when the capitals were brought by the partner, 2017 April 1. Balance brought down 5 lakh in A's column. This was his capital. B's capital was 3 lakh. On the closing date, the year will also change to 2018 March 31st. Salary was given to B. This you will show on the credit side. I told you whatever we show on the debit side of the P&L appropriation account, that goes to the credit side of the partner's capital account because it is partner's earning. Alright. So salary you have shown, then interest on capital you will transfer from here to here. And then lastly, the profit that you calculated here, you will transfer to the credit side of partner's capital account. And because interest on drawings or drawings are not given, so we will not mention anything here. We will just straight away get the balance carried down. Alright. Then there is a note from the council here. In the absence of information, manager or partner's commission will be calculated on profit before any adjustment. This is what we have done here. Manager's commission or partner's commission, it has to be calculated before on profit before any adjustment. This profit was after adjusting salary, so we have added back salary. Alright, so in this way you will do this question, but what I have told you, follow that thing. Don't write the amounts in the particulars column, write the amount straight away in the amount column. Alright, now coming to the question that you have to do. So I am giving you one question from your book, and that is question number 6. In this, two partners are given, X and Y. Their capitals are 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 on 1st April 2018, and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Alright, interest on capital is 12% per annum. Y is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 6,000. Then the profits are given to you. Profits for the year ending 31st March 2019, rupees 50,000, and manager has to be given a commission of 10% of these profits. So in this question, true profits are given to you. These are not adjusted profit because nothing has been deducted from it. So on this amount only, you will calculate 10% of 50,000 in profit and loss account because manager's commission is shown in profit and loss account. So you will get 10% of 50,000, 5,000. You will deduct from this and you will get net profit 45,000 that you will transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account. So it is a simple question and you will be able to do it easily. So do this question in your registers and show the working clearly and carefully.